bathroom. Gotta move that out about 2 feet out to there. It's a bigger closet. Gotta move the shower and tub on the back there. Gotta move that back 2 feet this way. Give a bigger bathroom. Hi, honey.
Want a sandwich?
I would love a sandwich. Thank you. Bathroom. That wall's coming in 2 feet. Bigger kitchen. Why? Anyway. There's the boxer. There's the chihuahua. They're just visiting, hopefully. Tore up too bad yet. There's Tucker. What do you want, dog? I got the new skylight. Soffit's coming out. This cabin's got to come down. We're putting a door right there. The fridge is. Backing that all up 2 feet. We'll put the fridge right where that door is. Back in. The bar's going to be over there. And our new island is going to take the place of the old island. Alright, that's all we got.